Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to discuss about access control list. In this video, we're going to see how to configure access control list in Cisco router. So let's have a look. Now in these sections, we have routers, couple of routers, we have couple of PCs, and we have routing enabled in here. In this way, this PC and this PC, they are able to communicate with each other. Now let's say this PC IP address is 192.168.20.1. If I open this PC and go to command prompt, and I'll try to ping this PC, which is 192.168.10.1. Right, so this PC can ping this PC. So with the access control list, we can actually allow some traffic, deny some traffic. So you're going to configure access control list in these routers. And what we'd like to deny this traffic to access our PC. So I'll go to these routers, enable config T. So I can write down standard ACL or extended ACL. If it is extended ACL, we can write down in this way. Access list, we need to use some numbers. For example, 101. After that, what we'd like to do? We'd like to allow or deny. We'd like to deny. And we'd like to deny, then we need to say IP or TCP. We need to say TCP. And then we need to say which IP we'd like to deny. So that in our case, the IP address is this host is a single host 192.168.20.1. So we say host 192.168.20.1, and this is, we write down source. And what is destinations? Destinations is this IP or this network. We can say 192.168.10.0, and we can say 0.0.0.255 and hit enter. So we say that access list 101, we want to deny that particular host to access that subnet. Similarly, we can configure other one. Let's say 20.1.1.2, we'd like to deny as well. After that, we can say maybe other one, we'd like to provide permit. Let's say 101, we want to permit. We want to permit TCP host, that is 20.3. So I didn't write down the entire thing, so I just edit this one. So I say access list 101 permit TCP host 20.3, and to go to that destinations and hit enter. In this way, we can write down ACL. So the patterns is same. Once you configure one ACL, all the patterns, they are actually same. Okay, so that's how we can write down. Now, after that, let's say we'd like to permit something. We'd like to permit 20.3, or let's say we want to permit rest of the traffic. We say access list 101 permit IP any. Any means rest of the traffic, whatever traffic it is, rest of the traffic will be allowed from our network. Now, these informations we configure globally inside our router. After that, we need to assign this ACL to the interface. This is the important part. We say interface gig 0/1. So this is our interface, outgoing interface gig 0/1. And traffic actually coming in here. So traffic come inside in here. So that time we'd like to apply our ACL. So you can say IP access group 101 in. If we say this, that means IP access group, which group? This is the group name. This is the ACL. And you check inbound. So when something coming inside our routers from outside, right? Something coming inside in our routers, then router will apply that ACL. That's why this number is important. That's why the direction is important as well. Now, once you apply, then this interface will check any incoming traffic hits these routers, then router will check the ACL. Now, after that, if you'd like to ping from this PC and see what happened. Still it's working. Let's have a look. Oh, so this is because we applied the TCP. TCP means still it will allow the IP, but other services maybe it will block. That's why instead of TCP, we need to say IP. So TCP is related with some particular, let's say, web servers, FTP servers, and things like that. But in our case, we'd like to simply block the IP. That's why if we say TCP, it will not work. So let's fix this one. I'll exit from here and I'll simply fix this one. I'll say, okay, I'll remove this ACL. How to remove? Say no before that. If you say no access list 101 permit IP any, so this command will remove all the ACL. So in access control list, if we want to, fix the ACL, organize the ACL, you must have to have a proper backup. And then after that, you can, configure, because it has some first match logic and then, implicit deny. So we need to organize all. Okay. So now if we say exit and say show access list, see there's no ACL, it's all gone. Now we're going to fix this one, config T, we say we want to permit, it should be IP. Access list 101, deny IP 192.168.20.1. So we want to deny this one. After that, we want to deny number 2 as well, 20.2. After that, we'd like to allow number 3, 20.3, we'd like to allow. Instead of deny, we can edit this one to permit. And after that, we write down the last command, which is access list 101 permit IP any. Not no. So once we write down this ACL, if we'd like to verify that what we configured, we can exit from here. We can say show access list and hit enter. See, now we can see 101, and this is the statement we have configured. And this is the sequence number. So when you configure many lines, access controllers, they organize all the lines and they put as a sequence 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. Now after that, once you configure this, then now if we try to ping and see what happened. See, now it's not working anymore because we blocked this one. We block 20.1, but let's say if we add another one, We add another PC in here, connect with our switch, and we go to this PC. We get to assign IP address, which is 192.168.10.20.3 actually. Mask gateway will be 192.168.20.10. So this is our third PC. So from this PC, if we try to ping, then see what happened. So this one is working. So we actually denied this one and we actually allowed this one. This is 3. So in our access control list, we have actually allowed 20.1. No, 20.1 we denied, 20.2 we denied, and we allowed 20.3. That's why this one can't communicate because we block from here, and this one communicate because we allowed from here. That's how with the routers we can configure the access control list and we can allow and deny some traffic.
I hope this information was useful for you, and thank you for watching.